ena nsempa no ye be dia free SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra Watermelon Street ni so na enya free sa street yi so a enyina yo e live e wo 93.1 hada braka Asante Mamu baby SOMPA TV butuo a 21st clinic wo ho no ejigumu nya asam ketwa sa bra kro na France abrochi madam for radio wono so de nsempa nam 103.3 ya watakura de ato FM 106.1 na ni se yeduru bono na pu FM ho enu ya tachiman ya na ye frequency kro na wutie wo so na wo mfimfini mantam enu ya fra na kingdom edidem anan no aboboa no abusua wo ma wo bunu nyina e fa nsempa bi e wo ahenkro 98.9 alaji be kwa na abro sanum enu na tetia kopiem e wo ahafu nyina da na eyemani masaso paso do ma ahenkro a SOMPA do ma wasom 101.3 and afi do ma f 100.7 wono nso toto mane kwa mampredi ase nyinada kene soban radio ye live for www.sompaonline.com ensemi nyinada ya bono boa ya yede akoto eru atabo aten adama na wo tie wo 90.7 so a eye SOMPA nkransa awie ensama eba no edoso papa edi aso tie na eni wanso edi ne hwe dia abati bi nie
Arawo sambia si awa santemantemo ama owura bi baby awodano ano ayedin.
Tamale high court wa kwa setina owura bi yade no ikotu afiase mfinhia no edunum edien enwaye.
Mampene kwa Belarus waba na wase nadmofo se baby eye susu anfabre anasumremu a obi asidan wo ho no wo munwura ho no wo hwe ho adwumanyo
sanso anapomden asoye no enso adiaba sabre na druso sie nyina yakaba kire mu na apomden nyimako woto no eho ye nika
osofo wono hwe man nwasua ho nsem so no nyamfo har na drusu dia to dwa kire mu se dia friend violence boto kasem wa chese yantiti obi muru obi e wo sukusu ahodo mu sabi o man yanso so sansem ho ne so
wasi so hwe no ena akyerɛkyerɛfo a wono mu wonyina hene se sada yina hene kale kase teacher wo mo de tenu no wo mo anya no a ene English wono mo nkyerɛ
sanso ana Ghana bai ana mwomasua so ye no so eba mane sabi sin so no se wo mo betre enane mu na nkoda no ehwan ha
university ema akyerɛkyerɛfo a wonom ewa university nkabo mu kuei wo mo na ekasa wo mo so mbati atwea o nyankopɔn ya ademu a 15th ya wo mo sesen a aban de wonom ka
na dama gomra sabadwade ne se ena obi akasa na no apa ya che no wo mo nya sa de no na wo mo mfa kwan foforo so na ye kwan ben ya ye de ba okase mu
onmonyafo Sam George anso akasa wase samtroni biye no wonma wo firi mu yewura John Dramani Mahamana penso na mu nkyiremu akisai
Nisam a wo kyeremu ano wo kyeremu sese de Ghana for your experience poor network ana set telecos ahodo wo mo SAV poor no ejina bibi so ayade ade a
ene de ejina so no awie ye de beba na yewie a ye bekwa amanone nsemu ensama ebobo firi ho de abusua edi aso tie no na awie triple man eja pia APAM DADAA mene me women
AKOSUA AGYEIWAA Boatin ena
ABENA ADEPA KOFIE
Afei yanje brana nsam no yenchechimwe arawo sambia si ewa santemantemo bia ye frano se asafo leba wormakwa ko hunu wura bia ne din ane kofiketwa eno ne din ayensa eka ye na kofiketwa eno akodi nsenseme wo nipa bonfo bi nsam wo ma worma wo ne sekan ewo ne mfe edeba ne sisi ya yakasa babi a wota no ani ayenyan wo manfo no kire mu na se wormo kotoyi se asafo leba of four station bia wono ena woda pavement so sa se moja epram no na enya dofo kora ne koduru won montamu a anka owura no otina no ewo ensieto na ebra won mo koduru ye no mo ba nan ene kopie mu ewo ayaresabia enti ena homachin ena won mo sanso ko wesa na pomden no se yankasa ene sitie na nyambia obetumi akasa na kofiketo adiato wo manfo no wanim se ye bibi wono Ashtown boys bi basa miensa ana homache bese no nan empa mu so no a wono wasɔde sɛ wɔkɔ ne nnwuma so no wo mo akɔto hyɛ ne so ya wɔn fa ne nneɛma mmra wɔn mo awowɔ ne seka saa nyame nko a anka wo firi mu na wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ nipa no kora no wɔhuhu bi a sɛ kɔba sɛ nyame ya dom na nneɛma nyina tumi kɔ yi a wɔbɛkɔ na wabɔ aposifo amane sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a mpanyifo betumi adi akyire entam na yɛkasa yi kofiketoa ɛda so atiase atwedi ampoada woroma wɔn firi mu nanso so baabi a wɔta no ano ayɛ den aduama no a yɛhwɛ animu kwan sɛ nyame bɛyɛ dom na ne kra no obetumi akurakura no yɛma ne bɔne ba wɔ bɛidu asɛm yi wɔgusu ada yɛ wɔde n'ani adi akyire na wɔhwɛ baabi a abambɔfoɔ ebetumi de akwakoduru ne arɛsɛ nipa miɛnsa a wɔn kɔde saa ewu ati sɛ yi no wɔn nsa betumi aka wɔn mu ana
Ebusiara husem ya na egusu a yegyina mu ni comment fido emantamu na yegyina mu ewo temale ho no wanom high court wo mo ho akwa asetena wopani a wotina dwam eye Owura Charles Kwesie Champon ensem bia wanom ediye ene se abrantie bia wanya mfinhia no be se edu anwotwe ekono wo mo kyerɛ mu se wadu nimpa nimfie so kora ne sa na kyerɛ se wo hwɛ mu a wo mo kyerɛ mu so wo mfinhia aduana anwotwe mum 48-year-old man ni din ene Abdallah Mohammed wo mo so akɔsese akwada a wanya mfinhia no edu enan na sa 14-year-old girl a one mo kyerɛ mu se wasese no ebra awofo eyi posifo asotere ma one mo kɔsɔ papa yi mu se papa ada na ayesa akwada kura betimi awu no ye behwɛ kura na one mo kyerɛ mu so ani akwada no kura afafuro emwa yɛsɛ akwada no anya bɔhyen ene de eka ho na ebreja one ema posifo asote ya yekɔsɔ ne pɛkye no one mo di kadi ne kwagina adaka mtoto na no abisa nse asho de awofo yi de abayi a posi kwadubo ni gina nimu a wano ototo nsem front and back my lord yi wuso mu sei asemu a Owura Abdallah Mohammed 48-year-old man no ebeka ne sei wane awofo no ya adwene enye esansa akwada no wani 14 years bia akwada no 18 years ana kwatu bisa ne sei 18 years wo na awo no no gyina ho wano so asemu anu so bisa judge a wate adwam ne sei wo hwa akwada ya wagina ho ya wo omru 18 kura ana judge bisa ne say wo na awo no na ne yesa wo so 18 dia ade dia dance yesa akwada no ewo 18 years no fa be kire wosia nsa de ni stature tia ne de wa so wie entina eja wo so wane ne kekan ti wano akirem so wane akwada ne kekan ma akwada ne tiase ansa no wo hyase ate na yase donko na su ne nyina mu no empanimfo se wo mo bo awofo na chi mo kofa akwada ne date of birth ba ye 14 years turodo na mom ne honam de asoso ankasa ya yanka nkyasa akwada ikura no onso wi a wakura no wuhu na wanu mu kire mu se ya mani finhia no parepare edunum 15 years imprisonment in onkonkodam na onfanya dwumaden emfa mo aban no na court no say judge a watena dwam no esanso de abosome makoma kunsia e kan sa 15 years no ho ema no na sa abosome makoma kunsia no de ewom nie wanu mu kyerem so obegina court nanim etwa entrobete esa akwada 14 years no wobro wo 18 years na bion so wasa sha akwada ne so wanya abohye no na kyese awudie asanso abam enti abosumi no ensia no ya de ka ne 15 years ne ho a sabere ya me no ka sei Owura Abdallah Mohammed wamo etena dwam e watamali high court no ya de no ekọ ema oni aban akọkọ ahye so ofiri mu fa bie ma ade na hwe ya dwonso nko a e no de bedwonso
wanya na tufo bo na sabe wasonwe a wo na wo ba we sa nam no abusua ma yento aso na yenwura nsem fofrom Ghana mampani wo bo anai pa ewura mu e wa amanone wanante na wo ko nyina nso no wo de Ghana ne nam wo ko ye waba ene se wo ho no na nkra nam na chi bi ye se ye nsu e fa yo Ghana na nsu na emene yen na no so wo no behwa na fa kese na wo mo tie nyina ye wo mo tetete sumnem na enna Ghana mampani ba ye no a wasa torenche maboafo no se animonimu ya ama wo mo ntena wo nto so wo mo nantim na fe mieme ahodo a eho nsuo to Jesus amfabre nanso adehye bi eho da wo mo tete no wo mo ennom mo asa de be na wo betoto niema yie na sabio sensuo no tompo na eyira emma adehye na wo mo tete samia no nso no sabi wo nso no enkonkogugem na de ensema Ghana mampani wo de to nadmofo anim no enwuma eda ya yete efiri ni wura no
It's also partly the fault of those who sell those lands. Those lands are not supposed to be sold. And then also partly the fault of our assemblies and the officers who grant the permits. If anybody brings a house that you know is in a restricted area, which is a waterway, it's not supposed to be sold. And so you should not sign the permit for them to build. But some of the houses have building permits. How did they get them? So we have to do some soul searching. And I think government must be firm in doing what it has to do in order that we stop this perennial flood issue. We shouldn't be like the vulture who says he will repair his roof when the rain stops. When the rain stops, then we forget about it. The vulture forgets until the next rain comes, and he promises again to repair the roof. This time, if we repair the roof, we have to really work and repair it. Incidentally, this year too, the rains have been unusually heavy, and that is why we're seeing the extent of flooding that we're seeing. In other years, the rainfall is not as heavy. And so I've directed the task force, NADMO and all the others, to do a presentation to us. We're going to identify all the restricted waterways. When they have done that, I'm giving the directive that they should go ahead and do what they have to do. And I hope that when we do that, all Ghanaians would understand that it is government business to protect the safety of all of us.
Oh, and Mampeni Koyanka, Woba, any papa, then the agent and Niamal Busana Quansono, the edition no, as in Suefa additional. Now, a real was a or Quanante ya, or call Yuki. Abrochre Hinekurum can chance who is here, or more pound sterling. One more nanny be pa Edeman or more baby, no Hodjuma, and also the other two, Jenny.
And under that growth and investment agreement, we signed an agreement to set up a first commercial scale ship repair yard in Takrady, close to the harbour, in order to integrate the whole of that western corridor in terms of marine activity. That's a £101 million project, and it will create the Takrady floating dock for ship repair.
Anwa Ghana Mampeni, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Bra wokwama na one baye kwowie o Belarus no wo bedurue de edisia no wono nso afutu a wode amanie
2026 annual summit AKOSUA AGYEIWAA ABENA apomodi adwumako no na adisi adwuma no na won mo ade bokoko na fei ye de akaka ye ho se ebre na wie du se apomden empanyimfo ahoto wo maben wo mo pepa wa komapa na fei atuhu ache adwuma won mo eye bi wo manmu no ye nyina beka ba kire mo no yabo san ye beya apomden adwumako ahoto ya ye wo manmu me kira ya sabia no ye betumi ahye mo kenana agena ne na so na temamufo a won mo ye adwuma wa Ghana bayi etua wo ka abribia no wo manya komapa na wo motumi di ahwa da hia wo mododo wo mo na ebra na sa adwumadie yi ekoso no won tonsa at the vice president adwumadie yi ekoso no won tonsa at the vice president Professor General Opokwajimana president Professor General Opokwajimana wodna no monyam ekotachire na eno no de ekwakoto wodna no monyam ekotachire na eno no de ekwakoto dwa etro se Ghana ye nyina ye wo atwenye mu ayehwe no mu kwan titiro ne aban dwumadie sonkon wode aba wato din say free primary healthcare initiative no wase na Ghana Medical Trust Fund ene enhye pia aba no ni nyina no ye ba beka bom sane ye bayi a ebetumi asoso asene na wo manfo no kwa yaresabia sikasem enkwankwa ye tatwene emfama wo no.
As we advance towards universal health coverage, it is essential that we address these gaps and align planning with the evolving health needs of our population. In that light, government in 2026 granted financial clearance for the recruitment of 16 SAHAs, free primary health care initiative. The success of this initiative depends on the availability and effective deployment of key frontline health workers, including the following: community health nurses, midwives, physician assistants, and public health officers. Their role is critical in ensuring accessible, quality, and continuous healthcare services at the community level. The Ministry's recruitment and deployment strategy is designed to ensure that every chief's home and primary healthcare facility is adequately staffed to serve as a functional point of care.
I was earlier telling your Vice President, Professor General Opokwajimana. Na anowachi no ana wama Ghana pomden so afo no nyamfo kwabna minta kando. Wono so ede kakra eto so na nsem wo kan no ebini.
Your cabinet of the National Health Insurance Levy has expanded opportunities to pursue reforms that many considered impossible only a few years ago. In 2026, government intends to complete at least 10 of the Agenda 111 hospitals. Government has decided to invest in a total number of about 35. In 2026 alone, we are looking at 10, and maybe in the subsequent years, we'll look at about additional 25. We are also looking at inviting the private sector, including the churches, to also come and partner government to put to good use all these Agenda 111 facilities and commence work on 3 new regular hospitals in Savannah, Uti, and Western North regions. Establish 3 cardiac centers and continue the broader restructuring of the health sector to ensure our institutions are fit for purpose. In this year's budget, our allocation has been made.
I was your worry a year when I'm for Quabanaminta, a candor, so far, or show Mayor Pom Demon some so now, man, boy, Nana or Ponchicheku, and na eto at the Basumye.
Ye free hono na ye remo ewo ngumesua esemu wasweni ya wono oda omagana ye ngumesua ho sensam so ayonya fo ha na drusu wone sompa kase ade hia kasa semtrofo nyinada ne semu ade to semtrofo anim NSA ensem bi aya wotete ene de aya wo huhu ewo SHS yahodo bi mu ewo mayim no aya na ne sefem kra ebu ho no abehu na kyekire ni no oburu aya adesua ni ebi nso ho kra abehu adesuafo mienu no ma count ade asi ani obitimi bo bitai na bi bo bituo ni de keka ho no se de atwa na wo aya de na no na watwe awie ya na etrande e wontentan fidie no so nyina hini colleague SHS de no ya na headmaster say house master wakopie mu girls da machia wani aketesia ba ko de asi ani aketesia no so de ho video na ne ho aden pa o watimi town house master ni de ni hwifom bi na so na ekwa wi ase no na house master no e na wawi na no abura ketesia ya sa video no ho asem eno nyanfo haruna dusu aba montene a wo kire mu se ni de aye bia ye e wasempanifo de wo mu nansi fom na SHS yahodo wo mamu a ena we buru we ekina we butuo ade tina we botai ebi bobo agyan nyina no wanam apanefo masibre papa wasenya akopon ya adomo a kita wonsa July bosome no wanam adidwumade bi behyehyɛ so no wo mato din Education Stakeholders Conference na sa Education Stakeholders Conference no wo mu kire mu sa wo mu ayi adwuma ewo education sector ni nyina no wo beto sa ade afra wonum afei administrators ya wonum ewo school bia mu SHS ya asem na meken ya befra wonum wo mu ayi policy makers wo mu etimi ehyehyemra ema emra ho kire no ema Ghana de hye yaso ye ho kire yen bi ni sanse ya ma ya free ya ne de domasoso no ni nyina no wonum ene wo mu ebetena se bio headmasters ya hodo ya wo mu suku ahodo mu na wonum se wo mu hia no wo mu hye ekwan papa wonum befa so ama de ya fra no se discipline no aya adwuma awo yesuku su ankaka SHS yahodo no mu no atumi aya adwuma sane ya wase ya broma ya ba broma papa ama kane na sade ne ya na agya atimi tenetene ya no wo ma asanso ahye mu kana ebio so wo ba hye kwan a wo mo abefa so ama ayasa ne aya ahwe mapa enso aya adwuma awo suapon ahodo na afei SHS yahodo no mu bra ononyafo hana drusu okasafa violence hono sei ene koi.
We expect to hold a national conference in Kumasi on or before the end of July, where we expect that educators, academia, the church, moral society, the Muslim community and chiefs and parents, regional and district directors of education and headmistress will converge in Kumasi or Sunyani, depending upon what emerges as appropriate venue to deal with stemming the growing indiscipline in our schools. We have always maintained that parenting is a shared responsibility of the significant other of father and mother and then the teacher. But we are losing many of it, no thanks to social media, which has become a toxic source of mis and disinformation, and many young people relying on it. But when we meet, I'm sure we'll take lessons from those educationists as to how to deal with it.
Enti no said your chemu na adesuafo ne awofo nyina no sa conference no yebeto nsade afremo esanse enkwada ne de amirikuma bi na mpempi na wanya boda obedi ewo sukuu ho na awofo de moa mo ne wom na tew ya mo so mo betumi aye bia no achi no nyafo ha na drusu sem waka kire Ghana de hye nyina amiate ase se free SHS no wanu dwumadi a wamudi agugu fam no bibia enkoyie e wo free SHS dwumadi ho no wanu mo behwe ne apane po mesebre papa
President Mohammed's research, we remain committed and dedicated to a review. Many of you who didn't even look for a dictionary meaning of review. Review is review. Some substitute review for cancellation. The review of the Free Senior High School under President Mohammed's research agenda will happen and is happening at 3 critical areas. 1, infrastructure. So that's why we'll soon roll out the Star J initiative to respond with adequate classrooms, laboratories, and lecture halls to respond to the increase in numbers of learners accessing secondary education. The second review is feeding. That's why we've uncapped the GET fund and have adequately provided for the feeding needs of students.
Enti no aduane ho nsam ana fa infrastructure no free SHS no edampanifo abamu a wo amena amene bo anum nsu agusu a won mo be hye ede ne magu akwamu no nyafo ha na drusu wo so ani ono hye o man yangu masua ho nsam so no wono nka ene atiye
ene yangu masua na mu ene yegina sabire senior high school for no wo mo twro wo mo so he friend se wasi na enne se yeye aya ho mo ne de etosudu ene wo mo twro brofo English neno na wamonka bomuku a wasantema mu se de anam so ama sesei teacher Eric Benote wo hye kokomu no se wo manya no ama wo ma metoa so hwe no so a ene English no kura wo mbejai se vigilators wo munsi ho na campus wo makwa akwahwe so ama nkura na atwere de wo mbetwero esansa sabio abro abedi twede aya na efiri na no yemusa se ye den ena akura nka wummu ade o teacher ba akura wutumirika dwane wugina ho na oni teacher na eyi ena ono nso obese wantimi anso na botere mu ade esi yesie na natefo ya wo mu asantema mu ena ekasai
friend no pa be punsa ko nsu okure bi nkan ya no yemi teacher ni onye boni bia o ade na wo ye na eda abonten manfo hu se teacher ni na ye mfunso nye sha na semeti order from above na I will try to say teacher in my man bail. They should come down to this community. No go school authorities no go investigate who say assemble sanity said no na container na say that. But they as they are not sitting down. They are prepare our district na chairman. But try me at one. No teacher is going to school. No teacher in this district is going to school. We are all going to be in red. In this number be say I'm sure na teacher ni dia going to be here. And they hate me can watch. Because teacher for ni na prepare and never see was here the young Pasian was here the young one and Yaman. Was a layer the enemy or try the Bayobia. So you touch one, that's all. Or we really see any Anamaya, Yamiadma, or Tran Anopa. So I guess I was in a passo and cast me like in Catholic Senior High School. Yadia for Anabatre.
Ah, way natefwa. And I one more casa was antimamu, say Entessa, so I was to come on to your trobi. And ya de teacher ni bia ye yin so won kwohwe so begina ho akwakohwe esanse kasa edua ye ntia so mpire no na kwase ya na kasa ye de meyonko ne mo ye neme
awosaya to aso na yeguso da gina wo mayi enwomasuamu na sane ya wo man ne nim dada sa sakoba no se ye mofra wo mo junior high wo mo ba bewie na won makonto so so ko mu a ya fra bibisa BC no wa ya kadwumako no wo mo na deba na ewiase ebibrem atoye nyina enkoda no watena konya hyehye so na won matworo na mpempi no ano aya na enafo makomako enum adwoada kopem ne fiadanti aboro so wa na adwoada foforo aba beka onesa no kora no ye wo mo a aya wo mo tworo empempi no ano na anam so ama aban no anam womasua so ye no so ade aba atro sa nyame yadomu a won mo gusuoda ya won mo ehwe no mo kwan se enafo num no ankoda no ede tro so hwe no anka wo mo betire mo amana kwa nafo no makomako nwotwe sane ebe ya ebetumi abo ankoda no ema pressure dodo no ameto wo mo so sanse ankoda ne bu no mo a wo mo kwatena sesa na wo mo twro English adebachi ya science adebachi social studies sana na abo afa na dwenim enti wo kwatena wo no mo ano wo hunu de wo twro enti enafo makomako nwotwe ne babo ama entam wotumi aba bededam titiriw ene subject no aya na eden no sane ebe ya betumi abo ankoda no na yewra haw na idrusu wono ana yesoofo wo hwo maga na ngomasua so every girls ehorem no koya wode asemi ekotudwa
Our schedule of the exams for BEC was just Monday to Friday, and that put many of you under some stress. Accordingly, government is reviewing the BEC exams calendar. So now the BEC will begin on a Wednesday and end the following Wednesday, so that adequate time is given to our learners to prepare for BEC across the country. So when we start with the core subject on Wednesday, we will end with the core subject the next Wednesday, so that at least they have the weekend to prepare for the expanded workload. The Director General of the GES, Professor Davis, will ensure full implementation of it.
I was your way, I swore for you, was sure my canna. Young woman, see one some so one more for Haruna Idrisu.
Obofo ne de ne nam ho apaso enwomesua mu nsam ne de yegusu aye giremu sanse de emu nsam no edoso no na womo a womo krata da manemi University Teachers Association of Ghana UTAG womo ka kira ban se ewiase yo hum empanifo ka asem bi sesa opa wase ahwemu ahwa na ya woma no poposo afuo na womo de womo hwemu ahu se asede eye finance ministry ho no empanifo ene womo ndi kotoma mefa ba wo ba bi eno so de womo chem se yagobone ya UTAG for so womo so womo man panimfo ekwakosi be 14th eye June ya ye humu busumi ne de toso edu enan na ne de toso edu enum womo muhwe na de mi be kan womo ato hwe dia womo de womo kuku no mo kaka nyina egu from down flat wono mo nkosua pon bia mo nkwankwakyira de womo ya sapon ne sem womo kire mu se dollar bia aya na eba na eja wanum ades bese de ewura hansene hana wanum nsesa asasika no na womu ntimi emfanya womu process ya no no beboa ama womu book and research allowances no womu atimi ades bese no e kame yese finance ministry no abomi fitaduku wanum atwi womu ani sign ese broni oteta kwatre mu wanum abo emfan enti womu ka kire mpanimfo sei de akwakwaya ne de wose womu tintasu kokko e kire womu ansa no womu hu se UTAG for womani abre na opani onu atwetro edema ekoi aye Dr. Samuel Segra wono enene nkase bofo ekasai.
Yes, we are back here again. Every year by March of the year, the Ministry of Finance releases the dollar rate for the computation of book and research allowance for senior members of public universities. We have been following this for several weeks. We have written to our sector minister who informed us that he took the matter up with the finance ministry. I must mention that just a few seconds before we came on air, we have seen a letter from the finance ministry just a few seconds ago releasing the dollar rate for the payment of book and research allowance just a while ago. The second issue that we have, it has to do with our conditions of service. Our conditions of service expired 31st December of last year. We were supposed to renegotiate the conditions of service, but we have been informed that there's a government position that they are constituting the Independent Emoluments Commission. So as a result of that, all negotiations were put on hold.
And what you know, Dr. Segla Mubio said ya one more yan dear a penifon woman woman di juma. And when they are not buying as a whole in and I say, a buying in one woman now one woman enya. No a finance ministry no, and to one more catch a finance ministry the same. By the end of Friday, non siaba bonon so babona rate no one release pa momo enfanye one payment of book and research allowance no where duma padia and you better yet morte.
We actually had an interim arrangement with the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission. We negotiated an interim arrangement pending the operationalization of the Independent Emolument Commission. We have finalized the arrangement and we are left to signing of the document to pave way for implementation. It has been several weeks. We have followed up with the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission several times. Even yesterday, we were in their office and there's no way out. It appears to us that the Ministry of Finance is not giving the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission the go-ahead to sign the agreement with us for implementation to commence. And so we have given them up to Friday. If we did not hear from the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission, we will convene on Monday the national leadership and then we will advise ourselves. The conditions of service expired 1st December 2025 and we have negotiated an interim arrangement pending the operationalization of the Independent Emoluments Commission before we go into.
And in the said Dr. Segra, watch them on the nature say spy anasa ne bre epa ho na de wonom ewo na wose ebo no ekwa animu no enti nyamfa nsa bosomi be se ensia ntamunie e na omu kirem so omabọ mpanimfo a enso emfun ti Nyankopon ya no bedu fiada de omu kirem so omo ntimpanimfo kan anyesa omu de omu kuku no mukaka nyina egu fam ya ocheche ni bia o ya lecture bia o university no ya ban ne de no omu nkom enkokyere ade UTAG one general secretary Dr. Samuel Segra wono ene kasai
Ebusua SOMPA dumienu kase no eno ne yede ma wo no de kasa na kira mineral water ekuta yemu se yemfa nkasa kase no emfa ma no eno na eba ya na wakọ wiase nyina apa no so Facebook wani mu nwoma no so no wache na agya unua nso anya bi esanse kase no emu de emu hwam papa na de onkanto so nso aka ho ye wura o mai mra hye badwafie na badwani a wo no wogina de hye a wo no mo da mangwa anamu ye wura Samuel Abdullah Jinapo no wono na se sabio sada ya empani yebuba bi sabe sepa ne koni mahaban yetase ne benindifo ne banyansafo no ebiese wo mra hye badwam ho de nti a wo bo sa asemi so ene se kwan ya wo mo fa so ene se ye ka obi kasa bo ahye ana se mpo obi aka asem bi a efi wo ho ye mfre ne mu asem wo se mra di no wo maka afra ama sabi wo mo de bobo adumu ne adan ase putting square pegs in round holes na sa asem ya wo boss wa ena communication minister yewra samnate jata George ebabe yi ano eche se sabi wo nim ne sade obesi aka no a wo ma wo mo nkyere no na de na wo ka nyina no yewra Jinapo nya adaje ekere de nti a wo se wo maka afra.
That is a classic distinction between press freedom and freedom of speech. The Speaker, you may have a situation where the press is free. The press is free to do their work. That is press freedom. The Speaker, there is a distinction. There's a gulf. It's like day and night between press freedom and freedom of speech. And what the minority leader sought to deal with was freedom of speech. Unfortunately, what our Honorable Minister for Communication went, the tangent he went was press freedom. These are two different things. The Speaker, and freedom of speech is so fundamental. Freedom of speech is so fundamental. So Speaker, I'll give an example where sometime in 2010, President Obama, an American citizen, broadcasted publicly that he was going to ban a holy book, one of the holy books of the major religion in our world, as a sign or a demonstration of freedom of speech. And the consequences would have been catastrophic for American foreign policy and American interests. The president did not have him arrested. The president actually invited him, coaxed him, and persuaded him, Mr. Speaker, not to go on that path.
Eno dama gomra sebedwani wono wo donkuma nafa ewi an wo se we ya wo kan no wo de manemfa Ghana de nyamfa nto ho 2001 mampani dada kufo criminal libel law yi wo hwane ya ma eho ye kwaterekwa nanso ase sa afa we no afekura na wo mo twetwa bi teta ho se de obenya nkata ho nanso de wo kan no ni.
The greatest of respect to the Honorable Minister, given that he's the minister responsible for communication, one would have most respectfully expect, the Speaker, that he will approach this subject in a manner that the minority leader did, be non-partisan, and let us interrogate the issue of press freedom and free speech. The Speaker, the examples he gave under President AKOSUA Agyeyiwa are examples that all of us have to continue to interrogate. And the issues that the minority leader raised on this floor, which were not too long ago on the 6th of this month, 2026, reported by reputable international media organization Al Jazeera, is a matter that we will continue to deal with. Mr. Speaker, as minister, he will realize that in 2001, President KOFIE took such a bold step by repealing the criminal libel law. Mr. Speaker,
eno dama gomra sebedwani na sansemi nyina no na opon checheku ene nam ne so a yensa kan
awo sasem krono mu wono no so for Washington ode won sam so won mo nyafo Samuel na ta George sorry gina no so Mr. Speaker asemu yen wo ye kan twi yen fa brofo kasa mafrem na mom se wo baro sa brofo sa akodi ego ode yen na me so mekere ni bi pa se nyina yote brofo nkran ne yete na wo kam wo bi yenya no wonte ase ase ye rojo ndomani mahama na penso no enya dia ensemtwerofo se bi ye kunkum wo mo ewo maimuo ana se hubu ato won mo so ma bi mu kran po fifiri wo maimu se wo mo kobo mu adwa ewo nkrofo amaman so te se dia bandada na penso na tie no wo se bibia se ni ho na wo hwe mo kran no a wo se enne yi nhwemu mapa ababato dwa adefa World Press Freedom Index ho no ababade dwa pefe sa Ghana yeto so makomako aduasa enkono 39 wa bra ewiase amansan countries best wo ha aduo watch 180 countries no Ghana to so 39 just ya ade pa ya makwa amansan chofo to mika wan mobo so asemu a yen jojo wo mo ha wo mo bi anie na wo hwem wo so 2023 Ghana to so makomako 62 enti wo de toto nsani ani a kire say abawe person and some chofo wo to wo no
ranked 39th out of 180 countries in this year's World Press Freedom Day and number 4 in Africa. In 2023, Ghana ranked 62. So we have come from far. Under the NPP, we were number 62 out of 180. Today, under President Mahama, we are number 39. That is progress. And Mr. Speaker, to even put this in perspective, the United States is number 64 in the world. So Ghana is doing way better, 25 places ahead of the United States. So when it comes to press freedom, Ghana is a shining example under President John Dramani Mahama. President Mahama, and this is not by Sam George, this is by Reporters Without Borders. Mr. Speaker, President Mahama is a president under whose tenure no journalist has been killed. We cannot say that about the immediate past NPP administration. Ahmed Swale is a blot on our national history under the NPP's administration. Under President Mahama, no journalist has had to travel out of this country out of fear for his life. Manasseh Azuri Awuni.
Anyuma da ni rano na sanwo wei ayeswofo a wo shoma Ghana yanketa wodion ensam so won monyafo Samuel na te George
owie eno no ana wo kire mu se ebi mu ka se wo hwemu a se de yedi nkomo wotetefo ahodo so na eja etimi ebo agina ba bia kasa yibie no kamia ye se adwuma no enkoyie ama Ghana fo kasa pa na no so wo sa atese wo kire mu wase efiti bra ye de sa hwe ye no ema no nyafo Sam not George na guso a wo kasa ye o owie wase efiti bra ye de sa hwe ye no ema no de waye ya broni be kasa reforms wa waye no ne sector ho no baako ene se wase wamo edi additional spectrum ekokoma eye mobile network operators ema wamo edi boa adwuma eno no ekoso ewo wonom akache ho enya no ko ade tosumienu nso wachire mu se de ye frɛ no stricter monitoring and enforcement regime no operators yahudo ni nyina wamo ayo mu training qualified pa ya ni nyina no wamo ni ekoso de tosumiensa Onyanyafo Sam not George say National Communication Authority and Penninfortra Krata at the Bray Ministry of Local Government say wamo M1 omunya sase ewo MMDAs no biaya bia wanu ebetumi ede wamo antenna wo so wamo po yibie akwa akwosisi wade oyes ya gusuma empo no wamo wasabi enkronkomam no wamo so anya access ewo sa network nsensam yi ho ni nyina no eyade a wone na nkrofo wanom ade hudwuma na wase enche NCA ede atibi ebeba emrahye bedwafie ho no mo a eno no ebetumi aboa amba wamo di dwuma ebia wamo efa sebua kwan so na afei wamo enhyeda emadwuma no enkoyie no wamo atimi ede mra papa bi ato ho onanyafo Samuel na to George bra no wakasa ewo mrahye bedwam no na no pon checheku otambai say
almost 10 years of neglect in putting in the requisite infrastructure. And Mr. Speaker, I would use the biggest telecom company to put the records before the House. In 2016, under the NDC, MTN built 134 new sites. In 2017, they built 352 new sites. In 2018, they built 300 new sites. In 2019, 352 new sites. In 2020, 200 new sites. 2021, 120 new sites. 2022, 343 sites. 2023, 350 sites. In 2024, they built 30 sites. In 2025, 50 sites. Mr. Speaker, on the average, that is an average of 223 sites per year. But the growth in demand far outweighs that investment. Mr. Speaker, under this administration and this year, we've given a directive that an MTN is complying with 800 new sites compared to what has always happened. Telecel is doing 350 new sites.
Oswafo wano washe omeyi nkita hudie eni abefo kwantempon wa ye faso di jujuma eni wankasa wote wana wodi wadwe ne osabetimi aye bibi bro ni beka innovation no saso ye no no na da no ni go pram emra shebedwani no ya for Sam not George entini de ebinum kiremu se eye wono ne ntumi nya adwuma no wo kiremu se mfinhia pia eno no de friend infrastructure ne ma wose ye de boa telecom no ema ye adwuma ye jato honti ena ma ye hu ni sa nanso no wane ne nkofo se seidie onu mo bo adwuma de ne pa
Abusuana na oponchecheku international and national reporter wono a na sade we enam na we titinani a won na ba wo mayi empuntuo enhyehe ne kwamisa no won na tua no Dr. Thompson and was say ebraso se wo mayi beja amanyo sam empuntuo de ato nchen ne ebedwene wo man no ne empuntuo ho na enwo achi no yaye yenhyehe de atopono so a emfa ho ne aban se ya brebi aban wo wia ana wo prodie wo ba wo bedi sa nhyehe no so en na ebeboa ma oman yetumpon ente sa ye de mpuntuo no babbo adum ne adansa na abribia so yatena ho ebewie na aban bia ba odne nsa ka bi aban foforo ba wonto aso enya ye se abandan na ya abandan project ni eja no ho na yewura Dr. Thompson wona na oponchecheku eni di nkomoyi.
We have a vision of ourselves. We'll be out sorry. So saying that American manifesto. Manifestos are political documents. They are not national. We need a strategic plan to think into the future and then work our way back and correct some of the errors that we inherited. But for now, we face a very serious problem in terms of population concentration in one part of the country, economic opportunities in one part of the country, and then serious deprivation in 54% of the land area. So, as far as I'm concerned, we need to deepen decentralization. We need to enhance it, not reduce it. I don't believe that more decentralization would actually threaten national unity. I don't believe that at all. If anything, less decentralization. When people sit around, they realize.
One on air chairman, Edema National Development Planning Commission. NDPC Dr. Thompson and then an Ponchecheku a boss uncle.
Afei yakɔ ansanfofo mu wɔde afoto ama awofo abatan anafe arefo sa wɔn mo nhwasa ne yɛbɛyɛ a wɔn mo frankita wodie ebetumi akɔyie pa na wɔyi ayɛ madam pel elumo ana edese foto emai wɔyɛ social welfare officer ɛwɔ ɛya doma central na anasenkita wodie a wɔn nsamtrofo ediye no ɛna wɔde baba to dwa atro sɛ edroma bia ayɛ na babtan pi no wan hu ne sɛ ɛyɛ adia kyese ɛwɔ animu ntem kora so sɛ wɔn betumi akyerɛkyerɛ wɔn ma no ɛma ne mɛma nkita wodie so sɛ wɔba ne bɛma hyia mu a sɛ bia de nyinsa na bɛba enti akoda ne nhwɛ no ho yie wɔbu ne nsa akwan wɔbɛfa so obesiesie ne ho bɛma no so nyini no oduru biaye bia wɔbɛhyɛ ase nyanya feelings bi ne adeade ya ɛkyerɛ sɛ onya obetumi ne wɔba ahyia mu saa ne ma no nyina no yade wɔsa abatan wɔbi ya hyɛ ase no wɔkyerɛ ne ma sɛ ne yɛbɛyɛ akoda ne nyini na wɔduru saa tabia ne mu a ɛnyɛ ne nwanwa pii na ɛnna no sɛ ne abɛfo computer ne adeade baba ne ntino enkoda no abatan na nkyerɛ kora no wɔmkɔ abɛfo ntentafide no so a ɛwɔ na ya na namfosam ɛbɛ mu na afɛ bɛwie kye na akoda no no wasɛsɛ putɔ na mmom yɛde hyɛ wɔn ma se firi ahyɛseɛ no a akoda no nyini duru baabi a ɛnyɛ ne nwanwa sɛ saa nneɛma no wɔbɛhuhunu ɛwɔ ne wedie mu na afɛ wɔhyɛseɛ sɛ wɔde ɛyɛ adwuma
extra nyama ho sesi a yenkola no omubu wo nsa at the age of 9 going nti moment a o hu sa ne nofo no hyase eba misro hyase na ne uba entena se enye homework de bia emma na chehire kakra enye se tia kwan so na odi beto nofo at that age no they are listening to friends as well na omutie wudie wo no unya butrema no adwa se on se wo nofo eba se wo ya ye tisemi na so unya ndrum difference wo say na sitie wo oda so ya akola udu mfie we so anu na ye be frɛ wo sa bredi e oda so ya akola obi ade ni nsa kan say kan ne hu se enya adwen papa enye pe na ope obi so wo nofo mu a it is not the right thing. Nobody is supposed to touch your breast except yourself e bia wo dware anata wo siesi nobody is supposed to touch your waist hold it and say hey you are beautiful your waist is beautiful touching your buttocks no and obi beka say open your legs let me see your vagina no nobody is supposed to do that obi yes attempt pe brabe catch me be friendly with your child say dey be a bibi sano unfair no abebo wa man
na nakrakra mu no ana wode atudwa atros wabasre yenua no binu a ya na nyanka ne wisia bedi mu nchen no aya nkoda no so mu ye nipa o enti ehwe won mu ye
abuse janka bi betna soa bi ho ana those kind of a thing and the emeka say ya mental ya dream we kafra unuaba eye utuwoba utumi nipa mo ka say oye meba so dia wo fa ni say oye meba den ti obebo na wo eno dia wo mo treat na wo ba no dia wo mo treat no say ye do nipa even kra aboa kraman kra ye do no na how much less human being na ye ne neti na ono dia ne edi ni fa yakayaka die mu so asif so ono onye nipa na sa suban no say ye jai. Look, usually those children that come to stay with us nyame won hihye papa bi mo they excel, they are very good, but moment awo ya omu yakayaka de no ya see mo is just like merry go round e ka ne ho say a nti ba bi a ogina ya besia aba bebo nti wo fi sa wo ye obi de basa wo de na enye ye no wo ni baba won to wo de no so no asay nti sa nkola na omo ba vet na ye ho ye try say ya mo treat omo de na sene fatano ya famo musu
awso wai aye madam Pearl lumo ani yetene kan wo social welfare officer ewo Doma Central
said ye be ya mofra wonom ewo suku ahodo mu ani be kuayo ho na sanse kuayo yi ayo man ye chiribramu eno so ebo oman nti upiemu ewo twufu ati mokwa mesene ni mu a emfimfini mantem asem na mekan twufu abekan kwanta DA basic school ewo ho no obi a wono oye NGO na kyerese wa creative foundation na se wate foundation anu no din edi Showboy Foundation wako donate emme seedlings emme ye dua ibi mako 180 and wadi ama sa suku no mu enkwada enti ni suku no panifo se wo mo wasase yantambe se 3 acres eno no eda ho a wo mo emfa nya hwe enu nti eno owura yi fato ne ho se ene wono eba ya na ja wo mo de adua mesa se twufu praso de nyanim sa de pam top wo hoi na bua mo de ye nwo ema bi kura firi wo bankran no eno so betumi abo madache emani nyini a wo mo de bi ayabe CEO ya wono woda eyesa dwumadie no ano eye Owura Isaac Ajui
Mediabe makmako 180 3 acres mede babe boa abakan kwanta DA basic school se omo India na tina edwin mo sika nyambo school emo community no because se school ni sika emo form ha enfa nkoto awofo so enti media ni se me amed na na sema be me baby kube me baby cabbage me si no mu dua enti me anbo mo de se ndese me boa na ekonyo bia na man sika se me enfa ye aso me kan se ade a edwuma ye de oman ni dia equiduma. They said only 50% take a credit in a year, but majority, about 70% of the total population are farmers. Until Mama Catcher Mabun said, Eduma, young trade so Ayakuduma, Eduma, own call retirement, Ayakuduma, Eduma, we are CEO of yourself, Ayakuduma, because there may be an okay for ma, but then a pen and credit, Banchan pen in 2D, then a pen pen 2D, and you know, when you be on 20 baby crime or ammo, until they should have been say, Kreduma.
Owura Isaac Ajui CEO no other Showboy Foundation ano na doya wokoye no achi no tibire kese metre headmaster wono wotia twufu abekan kwanta DA basic school no ano Owura Abrako Abena ti wono so agye ye woda asese
Asa minyanum head teachers any teachers ni schools no enkran say e yade eye esan say ene da bia na be depend awofo so sa awofo fa webra say ko ba say ye na setimi ye ni yi a e be duru ba bi na awofo ho beto wo mo enti nkran say na me de ma minyanum head teachers ni other schools na etwe ho say na ha no nyina minyanum nkurase anke wasa say betuma bi no yanso fi ehun hyem yentimi nye say be be da achi bi no say ko ba say bia school ni hia bi bia especially say course sports mpa na ayedin ya na ayedin pa enti say we this yetimi na we a e be boa yen ama ye course sports a ye ho ntimi enkyere ye ntimi hye binuanum no sunkunan ada schools na aka ni nyina say omo de omo ho bajim na omo nso betumi aye bibi saa na aboa wo mo in future
adesiafo a wamo atwufu abekwan kwanta DA primary school and DA basic school no wamo jimme no wamo ni agisanse wamo kodua wamo beguso wamo dampanifo asese
nation ajoba be mayen yeda na sepa be no de abe yeda na se buwa ye hiamwa ye nkwa ya wofo bi ye de na sepa wo abe no de abe no enu bia na ye de betu ye prute du se nu bia na se nation ajoba be bia na se ye course sports ye de beko yeda na sepa wa de aba be ya mayen
Showboy Financial be ya mayen yeda na se yensu ni aso ye wa be ya mayen kura no be boa ye ebua PT tia PT a ye ko ya wofo by Showboy Financial ntino ye tia PT a ye nkwa ya ufobio Showboy Financial be na odi amai no enya ye betue be ebu a yetwa na se koton asika no no a yebetumi de twa PT yenko ha ya ofo bi de show boy financial be amain eda na se pa
Yeda na sepa mofra wanu mo jentetiye ewo chufu abeka kwanta DA Basic School ewo chufu atimo kwa mesin mfimfini mantamo wamo esam wamo ni agye eso mo bedua me eme no ba pe mpanimfo hya sese wo mo twaton a wamo de beboa wamo ewo ngomasuye mu yensem training erekanan ene de nsemi ebai
bibini ye nipa o na nso bewie Ghana obo se anye di na yebedia na wamo de yensa abra foforo krasa eka ho na yenwura nsuom na fe ye na ye hutia wankwaje aboafo nkrato mra na sade enkomo na ekoso na yese yetra wan wanom nsuo enso wo mo wasantema mu se yetra wo mo kura nsuo ne de ho be den sanse barekese wo mo water treatment plant no wonom se chimate bi aba ho wo mo siesie nti anhwe nsuo ho be den ama wo mo mampanimfo kura aba bo ho amane nti ubusa wo mo ayade hye a wonom sa nsuo bi bra kwabena mo ewo so ame market wo mo se gise ye kopa bura ana yeto sa pia water bi si won tesa sade wo mo se aboso no na nhira nka nyame se mpanimfo timi aye niema no swiftly ntantampa ahomachi no nan no wo mo wie na wo mo san bebo amane se de wo mo wie bibia na mo wo mo damase ene twen a mutimi twen yen ema wo mo ye se adwuma no na wo mo tworo ho krata nyina wie na yewura Ebeneza padina ya wo no eye nkutahode bofo edema tituru na asanteman ensuo no ede no wode na ensa hya ase na wode ba asa sompa yankenka matiefo no nte na agya ha ya na ye boso na wo mo akuru ya nso no enhu sesese de enya ababiu na abasa na abusuei me na ye hutiawa ye gye aboafo nkrato ye besa aba won chen ni gina
Ewra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag yi.
Bra, adan, ena nso biem.
Hey, time heba me hwa ya me ka se yi ba akun, ani wo yi me yensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hwa, esi agye me ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hwa, me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ena de me kwa akopie. Enti se malaria, we draw ne time heba me hwa.
Enye enu nku o, de nanum ato a wontimi ani die no. Time heba me hwa duro no ena ye ma wo. Oba a wafa afuro de o ma akwada no fo. Ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se obato aduro yi bi anoma, hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am ye hu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa. Se o petam heba misha enu dudu atu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House. Ana ba akoso wo atonsu Monaco Junction.
Eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers. Ene herbal shop dodo na emu.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo, set time no TIME. Time herbal mixture. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu be tuako.
FDA agi ejadi enkratu yi atum.
I was your damo was somewhat yama ya kwaba ya kwa man so na ya ne ya man boni Alex kwa me redu akwa kodi enkomona na ya tia chrosa dom kuma no ahyase a won mu kina santemantemu ayaresa bia wodo no a na ewasa aban no eto aso na so akwakwa ye hwebuada no na ensem bia se wo ho yankoni nkotie kwa me mai kwa me jina yi ani nkomo wai kwa mo tumanka Kwani yo do my Yo, I was here was say Sabeka Kwamero to Ewa Homano Sona, Yana no Edin Komobium a day afa home. Nina no a year Dom Kumano or woman she with the Fieni Piano Mopie, ya one more echo a Montensu Yan Sanko Beam. Kwame, my Kwame, so your demand here and whatever my mama or why ha, Maha Kwame. Yo, young Kwamon na young Kodun Komona.
Abusia ene ma yanya ne tew enwura amanone na amanone no de ya kwone se we de Ukraine fo abobo ano ho a ena yewura na wono mo se Jordan anajo ewo be faate ho omo twe sekan ama wie ye no ebino mo efa ho prepra pa ama de attack na de kura nani benkum no ekoko wie na akwakwa ye bibie wo ho na dodo na wo mu prepre ye nyina no abusua wo de ma yankomra
kwa ma he
agoja ma joso
boy nkomo e de na sie
asempempi ameno kase ma yenwe ni tewuna yene mpemfu a mudi dwete ni mu ba ko ni nkomo ye frank ye boa ono ya to le de south ono ono odi ni mu na mo da bia yenke ene ba mo ba hayi na apoba ma nyambia ba ko akumi nsa ma fe be kai pa wo mu eni sei ene edini bia bi bi da eni sei yo le ka che Ghana for say yin sa ya wa sam nya Ghana for na ya ko ene se MPP ejiwa ya eja wa andi se to aso me ko se da ya bibia yi o se di pa kum ko ya na o mu ma on pan ko e nti santi no ya sa ba se o me ni pan kum ko ya juma na ma pressure ko kono che so e ma fom ya so me ba e no am ola bu ye bu e bla mu ko hono nsenda kwa no mi pi esi na e be ni ka ko na di o mu na ye se ene se de wa no mutu a di ba santima ntemwa e be se hospital ho do a omu ija do na na se nti be ye ni aka nti mu a omu e se bia be kina ye adwuma titu ye se ko fa no se bia na so airport anu na no mo ba se epita bia ni o man pani e mo modi a se obese na we be bia no amadwo de no tuma akoso anu mu no ba na anopa na di ka to amemo e de ko afemiki hospital na ho be ko do we se ade a na security a o no yo ba ko do no o ma ko e ma obi e ma yo fa bu e de ko inside na ba na ho inside na e na we di mirika bi su san ba se akwanyi ade ma ye ko na ye ko ye ko ye no ade a DC a won pikin hon na zo su kwa ji wa to ga da sai o ma ye ina ye kan yiti ade a ko shere se ko na se before so ba ya mbe kan ho ade a ye ko so no e na de mo ni ke fi o da ba se mu na ye pi ni ba se kwa ho se so ne ye di kan rum aba fa de se ye bi ti ni ti ni mo ko se ka se ko ba ye be se ka de so and no more a couple of na I don't know, put it to them. Jacosia, you know, Yahoo Domians, and I have to look at it. And I never had more, your dignity, a baby, and and for the one you near, although I did the chair, I don't come on, Mexican, some for do a deal of Mukasu, or more than I are, or many other Nancy, and then I have so we are another and if you never be a hakwaya, getting you go to Takra, you have been to Abuja.
Enti amano ne die mu no ne nyina ye seka ebi kokotwe ewo be fate ho ye wie ye ma wo bi kura fa ho nani ehwere no na wo mo chese de odi sa adwuma no wo ye bibini ofiri Sudan wo ma kotena America akwa kwahye UK be se mfinhye adu no ni enti baabi a asa bibifo te no ehwo na sa awere ho semi ekọ so wie ye wo mo twetwa agya toto ka mu na afie binom wo no mo hyehye no na ni nyina mu no wo mo se wo ma ya bambofo kura emu mienu kura afa ho a wo no mo prepra emu be asa hanu de ye na ye nka enti ukon Northern Ireland adaje ne posokura na nsu ni nyina mu no de wodi sa adwuma na ema obi ani benkum ne ekokotu ye no wadi mfinhye aduasa wo ye Sudan ni meka sei wo ma so ne panchi ewo UK ho a eno wo mo hwehwe ne refugee status nom ansana de ewo akire bia no ye de asoma no so ne ye gina na kase no ye de wo esie awie de efiri ye fidua mu hafa ye nkura bata ne nyina ma information centers no wo no mo fa bia kasa natural mineral water wo kan ye ho na awie time heba Mr. Dr. Tafiri Jadru no so wo de time to ye nso no ye de wo esie akankan for a triple way man ajapi APAM DADAA awie mene
AKOSUA AGYEIWAA ABENA
ABENA ADEPA KOFIE abusuada mu nyina amase dwumadi aka nyina no eto aso sisia